kids, welcome. Today we are going to talk about the letter M. The letter M makes the sound Can I hear you? Let's go again. Very good. The letter M makes the sound Now let's see the things that begin with Let's find out. As in map. Map. What's the beginning sound in map? Say it again. And again. Mm. We use map to find places, locations. Now let's see another one. Who is that? Man. Again. Man. What begins man? Mm. Man. Let's find another one. Oops, that's a mouse. Again, mouse. What begins mouse? Mm, as in mouse. And another one. Max. Again, max. As in max. Do you have one? Put it on. All right, then we have the thing we use for hot tea. Mm, Mug. Mm, Mug. Do you have one in your kitchen? Go and get it. All right, and another one. Mat. 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 Very good. Now that you know the things that begin with it is time to trace the letter M that makes the sound What sound does this make? Very good. And again. Hmm. Awesome. Now take your pen, trace the sound. Well done. Well done. Okay, it is time to play some game. We want to find the things that sound in this sound. How many sounds do you see? One, two, three. Well done. Now, where is the sound? There, over there, over there. Oh, let's see if you got it. Yay! You did it so well. That is the letter M that makes the sound Well done. Let's go on to find another one. Where is the letter M that makes the sound Is it the first one, the second one, or the third? Let's find out. Yay! You did it again. Letter M makes the sound Amazing. You get my thumbs up. Well done. Okay, it is time to puzzle it. So we want to look out for all the sound. Spot it. Once you find it, tap it. Find another one. And another one. And another one. Well done. That is the sound The letter M makes the sound How many did you find? How many? Oh, let's find them. One, two, three, four. Wow. You found four sound? Very good. Well done. What sound is this again? Very good. Now let's go and look for the uppercase. The uppercase this time. Find it. Yes. Find another one. Yes. And another one. And another one. And another one. Well done. All right. Now let's see how many you got. One, two, how many? Three, and four. You get another thumbs up. Keep it up. Can we say that again? Mm. So, dear learner, it is time to look for pictures that begins with mm. Take your time. Let's identify the pictures on the screen. We have a mug. What's the other one? Hearts. Then the third, that's a jog. Okay, which of these begin with mm, mm? The mug? Yes. Mm, as in mug. 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 Well done. Now let's go on to see another one. Well done. Yes, that's your mark there. Okay, let's see another one. Another one. Oh, this time we have a car. Then we have ball. Then man. Now, which one begins with Which one? One, two, three. Which one? Yay! You did it again! Man. A man just like daddy, or like uncle, or your teacher. Man. Well done. Now let's go on to another one. We have a variety of fruits here. We have apple, mango, banana. Which one begin with? Which one begins with? Let's find it. Find it. Find it. Over there. Yay! You did it again. I am so proud of you. Well done. Mango. Mango. Well done. All right. Now let's say the last one. We have some books, a chair, and mats. Now, which one begins with? Find it. Oh, and again, I am so proud of you. Mats, mats. Well done. Keep it high, keep it flying. Well done. Now, can you tell me some things that begins with Can you mention some things? Can you remember them? Okay, I've got mango, milk, meat, man. What do you remember? Money. Which one again? Math. Okay, so Lena, you're going to grab your pencil and your book. I want you to draw something that begins with You can draw a man. You can draw maths. You can draw a map. Just draw anything. Draw anything that begins with You will find my number down in the link there to send it to me. I would love to see your beautiful drawing. All right. So you can also join us live on Zoom every Fridays and Saturdays evening for phonics classes live on Zoom. See you in the next video.